This video is sponsored by me. 안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Happy New Year! Celebrating the New Year in 2023, my Etsy shop provides free shipping for all products for our customers and offers diverse seed sets. This is a good time to get your Korean vegetable seed, so please check out my shop, Korean Essence, on Etsy. I will put the link below this video. Today, I will introduce a delicious toast that Koreans enjoy using common ingredients at home. It is called 식빵 Pizza in Korean. These are some leftover ingredients I found in my refrigerator, so I'm going to chop the onion, 양파, the green sweet pepper, 청피망, the red sweet pepper, 홍피망, and ham into little cubes. We also need the canned sweet corn, 옥수수 corn. Mix all the chopped ingredients together. Now, put about 2 generous tablespoons worth of the vegetable mixture on a slice of sandwich bread, 식빵, and then evenly spread it on. We will season this toast with some mayonnaise and ketchup. So you can use a small zipper bag like a snack bag by cutting a little tiny bit off the edge of the bag and filling the bag with the sauces. Put your desired amount of mayonnaise and ketchup on the vegetables. If you want more pizza flavor, you can use pizza sauce instead. My husband also found out that Tabasco Chipotle sauce can tastily replace the ketchup and mayonnaise. Next, put 2 generous tablespoons of mozzarella cheese or pizza cheese evenly on it. Then, sprinkle some dried parsley. Preheat a pan and lightly rub the butter in the heated pan to melt. Place the toast on the pan. Cover the lid for the pan and cook it for about 3 minutes on medium-low. You can skip this step and place the toast directly in the oven, but I recommend to do this step because it adds a bit of buttery flavor to the toast and makes it crispier. The cheese will just start to get soft but not melted yet, and the bottom of the bread will be slightly crispy and golden brown but not burnt. Let's transfer the toast to an oven tray and place it in the oven to broil for about 4 to 5 minutes. The cooking time may vary slightly depending on the temperature of the oven, so bake it until the cheese is properly golden brown. Both of our boys quickly devoured 2 pieces of toast and asked for more. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.